Hello, are you someone who is dealing with a lot of data like this, where you have a lot of data onto Excel and you have to create a different reports from this data, but this seems to a very bulky data, isn't it? Okay, so you have some employees who are leaving from the department and a lot of information is there. So now if your manager asks you to prepare some report, it will be a time consuming task, right? And if you don't know the formulas and functions in Excel, how will you do it? Now, if I tell you that I can help you move from this Excel sheet to something like this, to a visual presentation where you would be not only able to summarize your data, but also present the data in a visually appealing manner. Okay. So if you are really looking to learn this art of creating a dashboard in Excel, then definitely you should join my course live batch, which I'm starting from tomorrow, that is 19th of June. And it'll be a 5-day course, which will be every day live from 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Yes. So some of the benefits that you will derive from this course are as follows. First, you will be learning data visualization. You will be able to understand how to visualize the data. You will be improving on your data analytical abilities. You will learn to save a lot of time and efforts in your daily work. Obviously, with this skill, you are going to increase your professional value and you'll be able to deliver more value to the organization. And definitely, with this skill of creating dashboard, you and your organization would be able to make better decision making. So what are you thinking for? We are just offering this course at 999, at a special offer of 999 only for those who register today and tomorrow before 9 p.m. So don't think too much. Enroll for this course. I'll see you tomorrow in the class. And if you don't see any value addition after the end of the 5-day workshop, you can ask for a refund of the fees and we will be able to give your refund of the entire fees if and when you believe that you have not received any value addition. Okay, so no questions asked and all the fees will be refunded. So if you are someone who is ready to work hard, learn and upskill, then definitely the course is for you. Thank you.